How to log into Chase Freedom credit card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to open up any web browser that you want, and now on the search bar search for chase.com. Now once you're on this website, you want to click on the sign in button over here. Then the next step is to enter your username, then enter your password. Now, if you want to remember your details, click on the Remember Me option. If you have a token, click on Use Token option and then enter your token from here. And then click on the Sign In button here to sign into your account. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on this link to retrieve it. In case you have not made an account, click on this link to create a new account. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.